Welcome to the first video of the new series reviewing your channel art. This is really going to help you guys become better designers. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start out with CamGoat YT. Links will be in the description for all of these YouTubers, by the way, so you can check them out if you want to. So we're going to start out with the banner. The banner is a decent idea, but I would say it's executed poorly in a few areas. So I would say that this text is a little bit too big, and it would be fine if you didn't have this stuff over here. But since you have this stuff, you might want to make this text a little bit smaller so that you can fit these on the side of it. So you could see like on here, to where it looks like it can fit comfortably, because right now it looks smushed and all that. Maybe move this orange fish up here above the K since you have it down here on the bottom right of the text. And besides that, that's what I would say to do for this. The logo is nice. I'd say it's a little bit too bright. So I would darken the areas around the K so that the K stands out even more. But besides that, it's solid. For the thumbnails are pretty good. Simple, straight to the point. And you could see that it has the idea of the video, the main idea, in the thumbnail, which is good to catch people's attention. And yeah, I would maybe say make it a little bit more colorful, but besides that, it's pretty good. Like this one right here is good. Maybe do more like that. And for the Fortnite, maybe add like a color overlay on the background so it's like a different color. Maybe like purple or orange or something. Just add color to the background. That's what I would do. And yeah, that's all. For the second person, we're going to be doing the MILSONS. So first off, this is from my template video. I know that it's changed a little bit though, so that's good that you took inspiration from it and changed it to suit your needs. I would say that the text is a little bit too big, so maybe make it a little bit smaller. But besides that, it's pretty solid. You have a slight gradient overlay on the background, which is nice because it complements the text. Really solid. I love it. I don't know. It looks really cool. It has like a metal finish on it. It looks super awesome. So definitely good job on that. No complaints. The thumbnails are decent. There's a lot going on. Like in this one, I can't really read what's going on. So I would maybe tweak that a little bit, make it more simple. These are pretty decent. I would say maybe go with more of that kind of theme. And this one is kind of hard to see, so definitely change that. But it looks like you had a theme for a bit and then you kind of left it. So maybe try to get that theme back or something like that to make it more consistent. But besides that, looks good. Next, we're going to be going with ITSJAYY. So first thing you got here is a simple banner, which I like simple banners. Looks pretty good going with the blue theme. No complaints there. The subscribe's not too necessary because you have one right here. So I'd maybe remove that. But maybe that's just me being picky. And if you remove that, I think it'll look a lot better. No complaints on the banner. Logo's good if you play Roblox. That's what it looks like. Solid, simple. I like it. We'll see the thumbnails. Thumbnails are simple as well. I like that. You get your point across, and yeah, no complaints there. So good job with that. And let's move on to the next one. All right, so we got my homie CVERS. So it's funny because I actually made this stuff for him. So solid banner. I like it because I made it. Good thumbnails because I made most of them too. So he has a theme going on here. Only thing I would say is that using the same thumbnail, I know that you don't really make thumbnails, so I can't really say that, but try not to use the same thumbnail more than once. He changed it up a little bit here, which is good. But yeah, definitely change it up a little bit more. Definitely check him out. He's a good friend of mine. Subscribe to him. He needs the subs. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. All right, now we have Eternity. That's a cool name. I like it. So we only have one video, so I'm not going to talk about the thumbnail. Let's talk about the banner. Banner looks clean. It looks like it's from one of my template videos, so of course it's good. But it's tweaked because I don't think it looked like this. So it's tweaked a little bit, which is good. I like the blue. It's my favorite color. The logo, I'm not sure if you pulled that off the internet or if like you actually made it, but I'd maybe have your own logo there for this. Maybe like ETX right here or something. I don't know. Maybe change the logo, but it looks like you're just getting started or something like that. So not too much to say there. but the banner looks really good. Keep it up. And let's move on to the next one. Now we got glove. I'm pretty sure that's what you're going for. Really clean banner. Super simple. I like really simple stuff with a nice outline. I like this a lot. Simple logo. I like that cartoony look you're going for. No complaints there. I like it a lot. Good logo. Simple. And the thumbnails look pretty clean too. Let's see what you got going on here. So that one looks familiar. That's from one of my videos. So this one's straightforward. This one's good. I like these a lot. If you go with this theme more, that's good. It's kind of hard to read this text right here, the bottom text. So maybe make this all a little bit bigger, or maybe change the color from black to something else. But yeah, looks good. All right, now we got XRFUSION. So first things first, I would maybe make these over here on the sides smaller and put them like right here. So they're right next to this, but make them smaller. That's important that you do that. Besides that, it looks good, minimalist. I like it. Thumbnails look really good. I like the arrows, straight to the point, clean, not too much going on, good color, and that one is really nice. I like that one a lot. But yeah, these are really solid thumbnails, so keep it up. Not much to say about those. So let's move on to the next and last person. All right, we got Nova. Okay, really awesome banner. I like this. What I would say is maybe remove this text right here, new video every weekend. Just put your logo right in the middle. Maybe make it a little bit bigger and stand out more. But I really like how you have the different characters here. That's really nice. I like the logo a lot. Simple. Thumbnails look good as well. I like those. I would maybe go with a color theme for these. Like these ones are fine if you don't. But these ones maybe have like a blue overlay on the background just to have like a color theme. I would say avoid black text. It's really hard to see. I don't really like black text because of that reason. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this first video. I'm going to be learning on the way of how I should do this, so bear with me. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.